Typical Saturday afternoon, January 2014. We got a yellow goldfinch, probably a lesser goldfinch. In the middle here we have a mockingbird, male. We've got aircraft flying overhead. Okay, we pan over towards the east. Got an osprey feeding on a large fish, probably from Hartwell Park or the golf course. He's been up there about a half hour. He usually feeds for 1 hour. If we zoom out, pan just to the south a little bit. And we look at this pole. We've got probably a male Cooper's hawk. A very common sighting on the street. And let's see if I can zoom out a little bit. On the wires here, what do we got? Probably a jay. Pair of jays. They took off.